To redeem game codes on Steam, start by ensuring you have the Steam application installed on your device, which can be downloaded from the official Steam website if needed. Next, log into your Steam account or create one if you don't already have it. Once logged in, navigate to the top left corner of the screen and access the game header from the menu. Then select Activate a Product on Steam from the drop-down menu. Click Next, and you will be presented with a new window containing terms and conditions, which you should read and agree to by clicking Agree. After agreeing, you will be prompted to enter your product code, a 16-character combination of letters and numbers, making sure to enter it accurately. Follow any additional instructions provided after your code is accepted. Upon confirmation of your code's validity, your game will be activated and added to your library collection. To complete the process, click Finish. Then, locate your game title in the Library tab of the Steam client. Click on it, and proceed to download and install the game. With the game now in your library, you can start playing it. The process is straightforward, and by following these steps, you should be able to successfully redeem your game code on Steam and enjoy your new game.